After signing up for Netflix, you'll need to complete a few setup steps to start enjoying your favorite shows and movies. Follow this guide to get everything ready. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Netflix account using the email and password you created during the sign-up process. You can do this on a web browser or through the Netflix app on your device. Step 2. Choose your profile. Once logged in, you will see the option to create or select a profile. If you are the only user, you can use the default profile. If there are multiple users, create individual profiles for each person to keep recommendations separate. Step 3. Set up payment information. If you haven't already, you may need to enter your payment information. Navigate to the account settings and select the payment option to add or confirm your credit card or payment method. Step 4. Customize your preferences. Explore the settings to customize your viewing preferences. You can adjust playback settings, language options, and parental controls if needed. This will help tailor your Netflix experience to your liking. Step 5. Start watching. Now that your setup is complete, browse through the library of shows and movies. Use the search function to find specific titles or explore categories to discover new content. Click on any title to start streaming. Enjoy your Netflix experience.